Yung ano. Ha? Alin? Ito lang yung TV mo. Dapat may blackboard, no? Alternative. Hirap kasing manood ng ano. Si Pogi. Si Blue. Yung kamerang bet kong bilhin, Ton. Yung kamerang gusto kong bilhin, out of stock pa rin. Wala pa. DJI na yun.
Nakabili na!
Ayun na, diba? Diyan nun, magtigil ka. So, balik ko. Nasaan si Pogi? Wala. Aray? Wala akong pakialam. As long as wala akong nilalabag, walang caption, walang Alam mo naman, nagiging popular sila. Ang pangalan niya?
Paano magiging popular? Nasa dam ko.
Nasa?
Arriviamo in Italia dello Matteo, Matteo Raposo, attack. 5 second move, Silani, so good, Soriano with the ball, Soriano with the ball, Soriano Marin, Soriano, attack, Aravino, and the corner shot, 2 points, by Fernando.
In-update ko lang yung pinag-editan ko na wala yung ano.
Is number 0, nasa the middle, good, another closer, si Matteo underneath, shot, good, Fernando with the ball. Fernando, Soriano. 9 minutes and 45 on the clock. Soriano. To back up. Shot. Good, good. Out of bounds.
Hindi ko malam natatanggalin nila yung high definition.
Nicodemos, San Domino. Lopez Finish. Binigay Fernando. Fernando to Soriano. Soriano shots.
Ha? Binibidyo ko lang. Binibidyo ko yung mga guwapo. Charis lang yun.
Riesa.
Tulad niyan, di ba? 3
Three
points.
points lead for the Riesa.
Focus ko pang ganyan, di ba?
Sol Riesa. Oliari. There's an input in Oliari attacks. Moves the ball out of bounds. The ball goes to Samit Biel. 8 minutes and 44 on the clock. Pwede pa ibilagin natin kalaan. Fernando. Fernando, Garvin Clark view. Fernando, atang sa Camilo, shot, no good. Fernando with the ball. Nicodemos at the corner, backs it, 2 points. Para Nicodemos. Oliari. Number 3, Riesa pops. To Mateo underneath fakes. Shots. No good. Nicodemos with the ball. Nicodemos without a Riesa. Nicodemos pops. Out of middle shots. 2 points. Para Michael Nicodemos. 8 minutes and 8 seconds on the clock. Green throw James mula kay Riesa. No good. Tapping ang bola ng Vidal Nicodemos. Nicodemos stolen by Riesa. Riesa pops. Stolen by Fernando to Magliari. Magliari. Out of post. Magliari. To Mateo. Mateo underneath. Shot. 2 points. Para Mateo. Officials got another 29. 13. 16-point lead by Samuel. Fernando Vidal na bola. Galo by 2. Fernando. Lower teammates. To Macam. Knock, fakes, Nicodemos, and a corner shots over Mateo, 2 points. 7 minutes and 35, Marpi, equals the ball to Magliari. Magliari, at the middle, side second, loses the ball. The ball goes to Nicodemos, Nicodemos alunod. Out of bounds, tumama yung Magliari. Safe ball, 31-13 natin nalaan. Fernando. 10 seconds to shoot. Fernando. Fernando did his cover. There's someone cell. Fernando got traveling violation. Turnover. That's on the 7-8 solo. 1. No good. Soriano with the ball. Soriano. Soriano at the middle. Side step in blue. Lazy up. No good. Mateo with the ball. Mateo to Magliari. Magliari nilabas ang konti. Paano may Soriano. Magliari. Magliari, Magliari to Riesa, Riesa, fakes, Riesa, Aramido. Lower Stevens, binigay Mateo. Mateo attacks, underneath shot, 2 points para Mateo. Soriano to Fernando. 6 minutes and 35 on the clock. Fernando, lower Stevens. Fernando loses the ball, last touch by Downers ball. Officials are on at 31-15, 16-point lead by Samuel Magliari. From the Rico under, no good. Nicodemos with the ball, shots, banks it, 2 points. Fernando, Lauro Marti, binigyan ng special. 15 seconds to shoot. To Nicodemos. 10 seconds to shoot, Nicodemos. Server's team is Soriano with the ball. Tapping it upon Soriano to Nicodemos, underneath, all the ball, shot. No good, but there's Mateo to Riesa. 2 points for Riesa. There's a whistle, sickness timeout. Officials go down at 23-19, 5 minutes and 37 on the clock. Soriano. Inbounds the ball to Fernando. Out of it, but there's a whistle. Who's back? Riesa committed. His first personal foul. First team foul. Para Samit Gill. 5 minutes and 13 on the clock. Riesa. To Mateo at the post. Mateo, with the ball, Garvin Nicodemos pops. There's the ball, shots. No good. Now the ball goes to Magliari. Magliari pops, fake, shots underneath. 2 points para Magliari. 33-21 natin nalaan, 4 minutes and 57 on the clock. Here comes Nicodemos at the post. There's a whistle and a foul. Substitution. 4 minutes and 55 on the clock. Fernando. Out of bounds. The ball goes to Downers. So Mitchell's got on it 33-21. Mateo. Cross-cut pass to Reza. Reza. Size it up. Nicodemus. Reza. Arcos pass. Solomon Cruz. Reza to Mateo. Mateo. Big shot. But first over cell. And a foul. Jersey number 8. Nicodemus.
Just a
His
whistle.
first personal foul. Second team foul. The middle jersey number 1. Brock Dockers. Mateo shooting 2 free throws. First try with you is good. Second try jumper is ready. Para sa amin, Kel. 4 minutes and 46 on the clock. Nicodemus. To Aquino. Aquino, side 7 to back the middle. Lose the ball. Happy na po na Fernando. Fernando shots. 2 points. 35-23, 4:35 on the clock. Parfi. To Baliari. Baliari to Riesa. Fades. Riesa. Dancing with everyone. Riesa underneath. Reverse lane. No good. The ball goes to Aquino. Aquino. Underneath. Mateo underneath. Left ball alone shot. 2 points. Para Mateo. 35-25. There's no whistle. Hold the ball rip. Timeout comedy. 4 minutes and 11 on the clock. Nicodemus with the ball, gone by 2. Nicodemus, going for his team, it's Nicodemus. Nicodemus to Santos, Santos left ball on low, Joe shot. 2 points para ito Joe. Ortiz, the ball yari, on the ball red. Ang bilis nun. Mateo on the ball. Malyari underneath, Malyari shots, 2 points para Malyari. Officials got on at 37-27. 10-point lead by Samuel. 3 minutes and 30 on the clock. Santos, 15-footer shot. Very good. Sabi na po yung ball na po tayo niya sa Riesa underneath. 2 points para Riesa. 37-29 down to 8 points.
Babayas.
Aquino.
Bayas lagi na kay Arneras ang video ko.
Out of bounds. Downers ball. 3 minutes and 12 seconds on the clock. Mateo, going for scrimmage. Mateo, to Malyari underneath. Malyari pops. 3 shots blocked. Out of bounds. Martin, to Riesa. Riesa, to Martin. Martin from the rainbow country. Shot, too good. Tapping the ball. Napunta kay Aquino. Aquino attacks. Lane get off. Pass it too good. Mateo with the ball. Mateo shot. Too
Ay,
good.
sayang.
Tapping the ball. Napunta kay Santos. Santos shot underneath. 2 points. Para Joey Gal. Oliari shot. 3 points. Official score natin. 39-32. Santos shots. 2 points para kay Santos. Riesa attacks at the middle. Riesa lays it up. Alibali moves. 2 points para Riesa. Timeout, San Miguel. Officials score natin 39-34. 2 minutes and 25 on the clock. Official score 41-30. 3-point plays completed para Jojo. Official score natin 46-34. 1 minute 38 on the clock. Riesa para kay Martin. Martin, gone well below. Martin at the middle. Side 7 full shots. 100 no good. 4 goes to Santos. Shot. No good pa rin. Santos with a rebound. Shots. No good. Malyari underneath. 2 points para Malyari. 36-46. 1 minute and 20 at the clock. Aquino, iniwan ng bola para kay Nicodemus. Nicodemus. To Santos. Santos fades. Santos dancing with Malyari. Santos. Left ball on shot. 2 points. 48-36 natin dalahan. Martin. To Malyari. Malyari. Fades. to Riesa. Riesa the post, loses the ball out of bounds. Simple. 18 minutes on the shot clock, 57 seconds on the ring clock. Riesa hesitates for three. Riesa, got away Fernandez. Ilog po. Riesa pumps. Out of middle, spins. Fadeaway play incoming. 2 points. 45 seconds on the shot, on the ring clock. Here comes Fernando.
Of the devil and the devil.
Fernando.
Rotating yung toyo mo kayo.
Fernando, 1 seconds to shoot. Santos. Santos attacks. Shot cover Malyari, but there's a whistle. Substitution. Jersey number 13, Malyari commit. First right is Santos, no good. 48-38, natin talaan, 10-point lead by San Miguel. Madadagdagan pa ba ni Santos? (49-38), 28 seconds on the first break. Hold the ball, rep. Ahmad Committee. MO13. Here comes Reza. Reza, corner by 2, loses the ball. Recovered by Reza. Reza, but there's a whistle. Goes by rep. Nicodemus commits, second personal foul, first team foul. Shot clock is on, 19 seconds on the clock. Reza. With jersey number 20 shot. No good, tapping about the jersey number 20. Right now, 12 seconds to 8 seconds. 6 and shot, Santos, no good, Nicodemus, 2, 1. 51-42. Soriano to Santos. Santos out of post and the middle of the shot. Short. Fernando with the ball. Fernando to Santos. Para by Mateo. Para por more. Napunta kay Mateo. Mateo pumps. Beats. Shots. No good. Napunta kay Martin. Free throw J. Shot. 2 points. Para Martin. Soriano. 51-44. Soriano at the middle. Side step move to Fernando. Fernando resets the play. 12 seconds shoot. Fernando. Pinigay espacio. Shot. No good. Martin with the ball. Martin. Shares the ball with Malyari. Malyari 102 points. Para Malyari. 51-46. Down to 5-point lead. Ang awa ngayon ng San Miguel. Galing na ba ni Soriano? Soriano. Galing na Mateo. There's a whistle. And foul on jersey number 1, Mateo. His second personal foul. First team foul. 18 seconds on the shot clock. Fernando. And the middle loaded now out of bounds. 51-46. 5-point lead by San Miguel. 13-20 on the clock. Here comes Martin. Martin at the middle. Martin attacks. Running through the wood. There's a whistle. Corona. Back to Martin. Shot no good. Fernando with more. Four points, para Martin. Keep the ball 51 natin dalaan. That's the good move para Martin. Score natin 60-59 down to 1-point lead. 8 minutes and 37 on the clock. Soriano. Fernando. Fernando attacks. Fernando stands in the gas. Loses the ball now with Santos. Santos. And there's a shoot. Ricky with the ball. Ricky. Tumayar. Sorry by Fernando. Fernando at the middle. Lays it off. Shot. Good, good. Pagliari with the board. Tapping in the ball. Now Pagliari pumps. Pagliari to Ricky. To Martin. 15 seconds. Shot no good. Soriano with the board. Soriano in the middle. Lays it up short. Pagliari with the board. Pagliari. Guard by Soriano. To Ricky. Takes. Ricky from the rainbow boundary. Really good. Nicodemus. Shots over Mateo. 2 points. Mateo with the board. Mateo bombs. Shots. Really good. Bobby and the ball out of bounds. Jump ball lang ininawag. Oras natin 7 minutes and 14 minutes. Soriano, attacks out of the middle, raised it up, passes it 2 points out of bounds. Jersey number 13, Pagliari committed. His third personal foul, penalty. Timers is in penalty situation, 64-59. 7 minutes. 3-point plays completed para Soriano.
Ayan, sabi mo na, Mac.
Martin, power by Fernando. Martin, screen by Pagliari. Martin takes a long one. Out of bounds. San Miguel ball. Hold the ball right. Hold the ball right. Soriano takes a long one. 68-59, 6 minutes and 35. Martin, crossword pass sa Pagliari in the post, Darwin Nicodemus. Pagliari, orchestrated traffic. Mateo, lose the ball, lapit lang Nicodemus sa domino, shot short, nakapunta pa rin Nicodemus. Nicodemus, sa nagurap nito, bola napunta kay Riesa. Fades, Riesa. Very good, nakapunta kay Nicodemus, palms. Nicodemus caught, dancing with Samin. Traveling violation. 6 minutes and 7 seconds, 68-59. Keep it up, out of the shots out of the middle, 2 points. 68-61. Fernando bounce. At the middle shot, no good. Martin with the board, Pagliari. Ilabas ang bola, Riesa, 18-footer shot. Riesa caught, dancing with Pantropico, traveling violation. 68-61, 5:35 on the clock. Nicodemus, at the middle, Nicodemus pumps, stomps, and shots, no good. Out of bounds, downers ball. 5:25 on the clock. Stolen by Soriano at the middle. Shots. Drop to Santos. Santos step back. 2-pointer. That's you. Ball on Santos. 70-61 and 8 lead. Pagliari to Riesa. Back to Martin. Martin takes a long one. No good. Pagliari with the board. Pagliari side stepping move. Back to middle. 2 points and a foul. Jersey number 8, Nicodemus Samin. Fernando, back to Soriano, power by Martin. Soriano backs, back to Fernando. Fernando leaves the ball and there's a whistle and a foul. Riesa committed. Second personal foul, penalty. Israel Fernando is no good. 4:52 on the game clock. That's number 2, Donald Fernando. His official score on is 71-65. 452. Then sa Dani Martin Garba Soriano. Soriano. Ay, Martin pala, Martin at the middle, stop. And pop. No good. Tingnan naman sa lubot. Ito na, stage, shots. There's the number 23, Martin. Second personal foul penalty.
Lamang sila. Sila TJ.
Hindi, 7-166.
Second rise good para yung Nicodemo sa score natin. 72-65. 7-point lead sabi ko yan. Reyes Santos, Garbay Soriano.
Ha?
Reyes na. Long to incoming short. Napunta Santos. Santos sinabas ng konti. Santos. 4:30 on the game clock. Soriano. Soriano sa second move. Is Pasho, 2 points para kay Soriano. 74-65. 4 minutes and 18. Oliari at the middle, binigay out bounds. The ball goes to Downers. 15 seconds on the shot clock. Martin to Oliari. Back to Martin to Mateo, to post. Called by Sarana. Mateo bombs. Shot underneath, but there's always a little foul. Santos committed. His second. First down at the middle. Binigay ng bola, binigay ng Oliari underneath. Big shots. Back in again. But there's always foul. Santos committed his third personal foul. Penalty. 3 minutes and 54 on the game clock. First line no good. Maray Maliani.
Nagbigis na. Hindi na ako nakapasada sa next.
Second drive. Good yung dami na mula sa Santos, shot over Reyes, no good. Napunta kay Mateo, Page. Mateo lose the ball, napunta Soriano. 3 minutes and 45. Fernando. 15 seconds shoot. Soriano.
Score.
10 seconds. Soriano shot over Reyes over the ball. So Reyes a shot underneath the good. Nicodemus. Here comes Fernando. There's a whistle.
Score!
Fernando Paz can say away. Time feel good. Traveling violation.
Score!
Substitution. 3 minutes and 22 on the game clock. 3 minutes and 22. 76-65. Oliari to Reyes at the post. Pero James, shot, and good. Soriano with board. Soriano palms. Soriano shares the ball with Nicodemus. Out of the post. Nicodemus, favorite shot. No good. Oliari out of middle. Oliari delivers some ball. 3 minutes and 5 seconds. Martin attacks. Martin lays it up. No good. Fernando with the board. Coming at the bola. Fernando. 2 minutes and 55. Aquino to Fernando. To Soriano. 15 seconds shoot. Soriano attacks. Arms. Aquino to Fernando. 10 seconds. Fernando. 5 seconds. Aquino at the corner shot. Short. Counters ball. 2 minutes and 33. 76-65 pa rin ating kalaan. 2 minutes and 33. Oliari to Martin. Martin, goal by Fernando. Martin to Mateo. Mateo backs. Mateo shots. Good, tapping in the ball. Napunta si Nicodemus. Nicodemus shots. Hilmer shot. Good, Reyes a palms. Pino J. Short. Napunta kay Nicodemus. Nicodemus. 2 minutes and 15. Defense shoot. Soriano. To Fernando. 10 seconds. 5 seconds. Nicodemus, go. 3, 2. No good. Punta kay Reza underneath shot, no good. Tabi ka na bola. Napunta kay Martin. Martin face shot super Aquino. 2 points para kay Martin. Officials na rin 76-67. 1 minute and 48. Substitution. $76-67, 1 minute and 48. Santos takes his time. Illegal throw, no good. Officials pa natin 76-67. Substitution. 1 minute and 43 on the clock.
Kita dyan. Kita dyan.
Dimas Fernando, Torregadamos, Nicodemus. Fix. 15 seconds to shoot.
Wala. 30.
Soriano at namin, mulay sirap galit na galit. 2 points para kay Soriano. 78-67, 1 minute and 25. 48 takes 12 downtown. 8-point lead para sa San Miguel. Santos attacks. Santos, side saving move, pinigiging dyan. Gaganda shots. That's it, 2 points. 10-point lead, 80-70. There's only 10. 1 minute and 16 seconds.
Ang 30, ayaw magbayad. 14.
Mateo, side saving move, lose the ball. Mateo recovers, Mateo shots. No good. Mateo underneath, shot. No good pa rin. Mabigyan ng palapit ng Reza. Reza, guarded by his favorite buddy. Reza, shots over Nicodemus. No good. Santos with the ball. Santos bounce. Santos, maliit na side step. 2 points para kay Santos. 50 seconds remaining. 82-70. Oliani, from downtown, very good. Reza, 45 seconds. 2 points para Reza. 82-72, 45 seconds exactly. Nicodemus in on the ball to Fernando. Fernando Gava Berliari. 43 seconds. Fernando recovers the ball. Fernando. Out of bounds. Fourteen seconds to shoot. Fernando. Soriano. 7 seconds to shoot. 4 seconds. There's a whistle. Last 21 seconds on the game clock. Martin. That noise off. Martin from downtown. Very good. Mateo. Moliari. 3-pointer. No good. Last 12 seconds. Officials got on 82-72. First player of the game. Nicodemus. The locking star. Oh, Nicodemus. Dami rin ang rating.
kalaban niyo? Sino kalaban niyo? Nakalaban niyo ito yung nakagawad.
Naloka ka. Di ba ganyan lang yan eto? Yan. Hindi ko alam eh, walang numero eh.
Kapag kasi silos kay Hayden eh, no? Pupunta siya dito pa rin. Wala.